Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're exploring 10 genius bathroom gadgets that will transform your daily routine. From hygiene-enhancing tools to space-saving organizers, these Amazon must-haves are unique, functional, and all under $20. Most of them are on special deals right now, so check the links below and let's get started. Tired of struggling to get the last bit of toothpaste out of the tube? These stainless steel squeezer rollers are the perfect solution. Durable and stylish, they help reduce waste and keep your bathroom neat and organized. Suitable for toothpaste, creams, and even some food tubes. Transform your shower into a spa experience with this upgraded LED shower head. It features a turbo high-pressure design for a powerful clean, a built-in water softener for silky skin, and color-changing LED lights for a fun and relaxing vibe. Includes hose, holder, and cotton filters for a complete upgrade. Say goodbye to fumbling in the dark with this motion-activated toilet nightlight. Featuring 8 vibrant color options, it's a fun and practical addition to any bathroom. Perfect for kids, adults, and even potty-training toddlers, it's both functional and decorative. Take the guesswork out of adjusting your shower temperature with this LED display thermometer. It instantly reads water temperature and displays it in Fahrenheit or Celsius. The 360-degree rotating screen ensures easy viewing from any angle, making it perfect for babies and adults alike. Keep your hands clean and your countertop stylish with this touchless foaming soap dispenser. The rechargeable design makes it eco-friendly, while the adjustable foam levels provide the perfect amount of soap every time. Wall-mounted and sleek, it's a modern hygiene essential. Bring your favorite tunes into the shower with this waterproof Bluetooth speaker. With its powerful suction cup, it sticks securely to your bathroom walls. The built-in mic lets you take calls, while the compact design makes it perfect for any water-resistant setting, like the bathroom or kitchen. Protect your plumbing with these durable silicone hair catchers. Designed to fit both pop-up and regular drains, they trap hair effectively while allowing water to flow freely. Easy to clean and collapsible for storage, they're a must-have for every bathroom. Get a clear view every time with this fogless shower mirror. Designed to resist steam and condensation, it's ideal for shaving or skincare routines in the shower. The added razor holder keeps your tools handy, and its sleek design blends seamlessly with any bathroom decor. Declutter your countertop with this DIY spinning makeup organizer. Adjustable compartments let you customize the layout to fit your cosmetics, skincare products, and brushes. Its large capacity and space-saving design make it a practical and stylish addition to any bathroom or vanity. Upgrade your bathroom cleaning routine with this modern silicone toilet brush set. The flexible bristles effectively clean every nook and cranny, including under the rim. The holder features a ventilated design to prevent odors, while its sleek aesthetic adds a touch of style to your bathroom. Thanks for watching. If you found these bathroom gadgets helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more unique Amazon finds. Don't forget, most of these items are on special deals right now, so grab them using the links below. See you in the next video.